It's home for the night. Hi everyone, welcome to dubventures. We've got a lot to do today and we've got a big house update. That's coming later in the video. Right, today what I'm actually doing is I'm actually going to be fitting some of these curtains and the rails to the windows that we've had fitted on our campervan. So before I do that, I need to go and pick some parts up. So that's the curtains fitted, and yes, it took longer than it probably would take other people, but at least they're fitted now. The van it's not ready by any means whatsoever because there's little things that we need to do, and we're actually still got some work by AJC that we're going to be getting done. More on that to come. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put some insulation in these gaps ready for when these bits get carpeted as well. It has to be done. We fitted the curtains and we just said, you know what, the van's not ready, we've just got the mattress on the floor, but where are we going?
Northumberland. Guys,
we're going Northumberland, we're going wildcamping.
I hear the sounds of your heartbeat, I can hear it now, I can hear it now. I hear the sounds, I can hear it now, of your heartbeat, I can hear it now. I can hear it
This is home for the night.
I hear the sounds, I can hear it now, of your heartbeat, I can hear it now. I hear the sounds of your heartbeat.
So we just decided, didn't we, after we fitted the curtains, that you was off and you seen the curtains and you was like, let's go camping. So
it kind of reminds me of, you know, like when we've told you in old videos when we had the T5, when we had nothing in it and we just put a blow up mattress in.
Yeah.
Well,
because obviously the van's not ready. We've got heating, that's more than what we had on the very first campervan trip that we ever did. So we've got heating and we've just got a mattress on the floor. But do you know what? We just had to, didn't we? We miss it so much that we just had to, so yes! Oh, guys, it's absolutely buzzing. So like we said, we've just got the mattress on here. He's excited. In the bed area at the moment, we can put everything up there, can't we? So, right, we're gonna make some food, get the heating on. That's how it should be. Yes.
Alright, but my naturals are much better.
Morning. Got no words, just absolutely buzzing that we can wake up somewhere like this. I mean, it's good, guys, it's good that we've got the campervan at a stage, even though it's not ready, that we can actually camp. Right, we're gonna go and take Thor for a walk. So what we're actually doing today is we're actually going over into Northumberland. And where is it that we're going, Brooke? That's where we're going to. But you'll have to wait till next week's video, because today's video, guys, it started off with us fitting them and we ended up coming camping. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button, because we've got lots of this to come. This is what we've been aiming towards, and we've got lots and lots of it to come. And with the house, we're actually moving into the house in a couple of weeks as well, so really excited for that. So guys, please hit that like button, and until the next video, bye for now.